This is a mnemonic to help you learn the stratum of the skin, top to bottom. Name the marked epithelium. The epithelium of the skin, what do you call it? Stratified squamous epithelium. Name the marked dark brown cells that add pigment to skin. Melanocytes. Name the layer with a lot of adipose tissue. So it's right above muscle. Hypodermis, sometimes called subcutaneous layer. Name the most superficial skin layer. It is composed of keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. Epidermis. Name the marked protein structure at the skin surface. Keratin. It makes skin tough, very tough and rigid. Name the skin layer. It's not the top layer of skin, it's the next one down. The dermis. Name the marked structure directly under the epithelium. It helps to hold it to deeper tissues. Basement membrane. Name the marked structure. It's pointing in the dermis like a just generalized pink area, lots of protein all over. Collagenous fibers. Name the marked tube-like structure in the dermis. Inside the structure, it carries plasma and other things. It's a blood vessel. Name the layer of the epidermis. It's not the top layer, but it's like 3 down from the top. Stratum granulosum. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Keep it up. Name the marked epithelium on the skin. So what kind of epithelium do you call the skin? The full name. Keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. In the mouth, it's non-keratinized, but the skin is keratinized. Name the top layer of the epidermis. What is the top stratum of the epidermis? Stratum corneum. Name the marked layer of skin. It's not the top layer, but the layer just below the top. Got lots of collagen fibers in it. It's the dermis. Name the layer of the epidermis. This isn't the very bottom layer of the epidermis, but it's one layer up from that. And what stratum is that called? Stratum spinosum. Name the most superficial skin layer. What's the top overall layer of skin? Epidermis. Name the marked layer. Again, this isn't the bottom layer of skin. It's one layer above it. One layer above the very bottom layer of skin. Stratum spinosum, as far as the epidermis layer. Name the marked bump in the dermis. So it's an upraised ridge in the dermis. Dermal papillae. What is the brown pigment here in the bottom of the epidermis, the brown pigment? Melanin. Name the marked structure directly under the epithelium. It holds the epithelium down to deeper structures. basement membrane. Name the deepest layer of the epidermis. Stratum basale. Great job. You're amazing. Keep it up. Name the marked structure. It's a large kind of diagonal rectangular structure within, I don't want to give it away. It's a hair follicle. It's a hair follicle. Name the marked structure. It's the not the top layer of skin, but one layer deep. The dermis. Name the marked structure. This is an upraised ridge in the dermis, pushing upwards towards the epidermis. Dermal papillae. Name the layer of the epidermis found on the palms and soles of the feet. It's the second layer from the top as far as the epidermis, the stratum. Stratum lucidum. Name the top layer of the epidermis, the top stratum. Stratum corneum. Name the marked gland associated with the hair follicle. So it's a gland right adjacent to the hair follicle. It lubricates it. Sebaceous gland. Name the layer of the epidermis. It's not the bottom, but it's one up from the bottom. One up from the very bottom stratum of the epidermis. Stratum spinosum. Name the thin structure underneath epithelia, anchoring it down. So it's anchoring the epidermis to the dermis. Basement membrane. All right, so going further, name the marked structure. It's an upraised ridge of the dermis. Dermal papillae. Name the layer of the epidermis. This is the middle of 5 layers. Stratum granulosum. Name the large pink protein structures in the dermis. Collagenous fibers. You're doing great. You're almost to the end. Name the most superficial layer of the epidermis. Stratum corneum. Name the marked type of connective tissue. It's pointing very deep, lots of clear, white looking like cells with a thin cell membrane. Adipose. It's adipose tissue. Name the marked structure. It's just pointing in the dermis, just general pink proteins all over the place. Collagenous fibers. Name the marked skin layer. Again, not the top layer, but it's one layer underneath the top. What do you call that layer of skin? The dermis. And that's it. That's the last question. Thank you all so much. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you so much.